In Singapore, I think at a high cost of living, it's better to have like multiple sources of income to really reach our financial goals. What motivates me to learn about investing is that I actually wanted to reach my financial freedom stage, and I believe that in life we should have multiple sources of income. My favorite part about VIA is how Cayden actually assimilates the information very well, and it makes us such easy to understand. I know about the value investing modules, and it makes even like a non-financial savvy like my friend, she's able to really just invest this money and even make back the cost fees. My most helpful lesson is about CFOS. I think it's not something new in the industry, but in terms of practicality, Cayden is actually able to break down the steps and make it easy to understand. I would definitely recommend VIA course to a friend, and let's say if he or she doesn't know much about investing, I think it's a very good start as well, because Cayden actually also gives a very brief background about how investing works.